In this video, you will be learning floral knife painting. So let's get started. First, we will draw roses, petals, and then we will start coloring it. Now first I will be giving the background color to the rose, and then on that I'll do the second layering, which will show the petals clearly. Now from here we'll start giving white color, and with the help of knife we'll be showing the petals of the rose. Now we'll be starting the second rose by giving the dark background with blue color, and then again I'll be using white color for showing the petals. Now we'll be making the birds of the roses, one red color and one blue color, following the same method. First the background color and then white colored strokes with the knife. Now we'll be doing the background For that I'm using dark sap green color. I will be using only knife for doing the background color, and after that we'll start making the leaves with a light sap green color. Now we are starting to paint the upper part of the painting. Here I'll be using sky blue, white and some mixing of sap green color. So using knife I'm giving different strokes in the painting to complete the background. To learn different backgrounds of knife painting, please visit my channel and refer to the video number 2 of knife painting course, where I have taught different backgrounds for the painting. I'll be uploading many more such knife painting videos, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the video. Please watch till end and do not forget to like and share.